Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Edward. I'm going to show you the starter website system. I'm going to share my screen now. So this is the last you'll see of my ugly face. Okay, there's a chat box on the right. Please post your questions there and I will answer them a bit later. Thank you. The screen is coming up now. Okay, now we're going to go to a web browser. I prefer to use Google Chrome. In this instance, I'm using Safari. So the first step is for you to go to kwikweb.co.za. Kwikweb or Kwikweb. Okay, and you will see this home screen or website. That's our homepage, the Kwikweb homepage. That's where everything starts. So you'll see in the top right hand of the screen, there's a button, Create a Website Now. Below that is a login button, which we'll use later on. So to start a new website, you simply click on Create a Website Now. This will bring up 3 steps that you need to do. 1, 2, 3. So you can always add or change the information later on. Okay, so let's start with a company. We'll just use random information. Test kitchen. All right, nothing difficult thus far. South Africa will be at the top. You can put your cell phone number in there. There's place for another phone number below that. And those are my phone numbers. I will use my own email address as well. You will see that there are green ticks here, meaning the information is correct. The email address does have an @ sign and the boxes are filled in correctly. On the right is a space for a referral code. If you are a registered sales agent or a registered consultant or later on a client, you can put the code in there and then this website will be attached or will belong to you or in your business. Okay, so you've just filled in some basic details. We go on to the next step. Now, the username we generate for you, or you can change it to whatever you want to, and a green tick mark will show if it's available. So let's say I don't want to have that 529, I just want to have a test kit. I will change that and I will choose a password. And then you have to go and choose the same password again. And once you've chosen the right password, both will become green. The catch bar is for security, to keep out robots. So you have to fill in this number in that box. Okay, we go on to the last step. Now, this screen has got two sections. There are color schemes at the top, and there's a preview here. Okay, so we're going to just quickly look for a color scheme, and we choose that one, and it applies to this website at the bottom. Okay, so you will note that the bottom grays out, and the mouse becomes a little funny no entry sign. This just means that this area does not work. It's just a preview. So what do we do next? We say create website. And now the website is created. It was very, very quickly. All the files are generated now, all the pages are generated, and now you are taken into the client zone. There's a short tutorial that's going to run through the different sections. The first page of the tutorial just says that these areas at the top are the pages of your website. They agree to what's on your website. Okay. So this is what this tutorial does. It just explains to you what these sections are. Okay, so that's the content of your website. Over here in the client zone, you have more options. We'll get to that, but it's all the difficult or the detailed stuff. Okay. The next area in the client zone is this area here. The yellow orange publish website button. You have to press that for your data that you've added, for your changes to be published to the website. Okay. Then this is the last section in the client zone. It's the view website button. That basically just opens a new tab to show your website as it currently stands. Okay, that's the tutorial. Let's get going. Now, once you've created your website, you'll start on your landing page. And here's a reminder, if you're wondering what to do next, we're going to start with a landing page. So you just click there. Now, your page will have a heading and you'll have text. That's how a web page works. It's got a title and text. So we'll just use short information for now, and we can add more information later on. Okay, so let's type the title of what will happen when somebody goes to our landing page. That's the first page they see, the home page. Okay, so we're just going to say this. Okay, we'll just keep it short and sweet for this demonstration. Okay, so we've added some data. Now we've got to post it into the database or update it. So we always press the green button to send the information or save the information or send it to the server. Okay, update homepage. You will notice that there are a lot of other options that you can add into this box, content box. Maps, YouTube videos, images, you name it. That is detail which we'll teach you in the next lesson. Okay, so we can either now view the website or publish the website and view it, or we can move on to products and services. Let's move on to products and services. Okay, there are 3 tabs here: add a new product or service, edit previously added products or delete them, and some settings. So let's add a product or service. Okay, so you could add any information in this box. Okay, so we have to always press the green button to save the information. On products and services, that section, there is a place for a short description as well. That is used if you have many products or services. You also have the option here to add an image for that product. So you'll go and select the image and it will be shown on the website. You can also add an image there. The purpose of this box at the bottom is again for the preview on the page that shows all your products. So it's nice and tidy. Okay, so let's find a picture. Okay, we've got a picture, we've got some text, and we're going to say add the product. At this stage, the image would be uploaded and resized. I chose quite a large picture, so it will take a little while to upload. It is always a good idea to write your text elsewhere and resize your pictures beforehand. So write whatever text you want to write, let's say in Microsoft Word, then you can just copy and paste it. And the images, you can resize it smaller with Photoshop or Paint or any program out there. So it's useful if you have a bad internet connection, then you don't want to load a 5 megabyte picture into the system. Okay, apologies for that delay. Okay, let's publish and go and have a look. Now the information is published onto the website, and let's have a look at this website now for the first time. You will notice a new window has opened, a new tab. So this is what the website looks like. Is the name, some contact details, the one product we added, and the one image. You see this image was resized. And if you had a whole lot of products on this page, it will show on this page. There would be a long list, either 1 or 2 columns. So you can click into the product, then you'll see a bigger picture of the particular product. Okay. And we'll have some placeholder text here.